Westermans here with a Fronius head and tail stock welding lathe with a Fronius Transpulse TPS 2700 compact machine. Head and tail stock with a boom, powered up and down, manual in and out, can be motorised. At present the rack's been removed. Powered headstock, which will also tilt to the horizontal and vertical position. An FCU-20 Fronius control. Tailstock, which is air driven in and out. There's also a hole through on the centre of the table for obviously purging or remove the fixture, and there is a bigger hole running through the table. Front screen also available for a sell. Last used by KTM, not 100% certain what they're used for, but some tubular work. With the rack in position, it can be used as a longitudinal seam welder down the length of a tube or a pipe, or any section that you can put in between. More sizes available on the website for maximum diameter, maximum length. Torches on a air ram up and down, I believe. It is a Fronius automation system. Of course, we have the documentation here as well. User manual, parts list, boom, positioner. It's actually a TT. Okay. I believe a TT 500. FTT 150 turntable, which, looking at that, load bearing 150 kilos on one side, 150 on the other, so working range 300 kilos. Like I say, last used by KTM fabrication, all on a bed. The actual tailstock will actually go right in on a drive, which can be adjusted from the end. Machine at the present is awaiting refurbishment or service, or can be sold as is. More details can be seen on westermans.com. Please have a look.